Got it?
Yep.
So take this bowl here, pour a whole bunch of water on it, and watch none of the water fall off the bottom. It all sticks onto it. While that's happening, and the water stays stuck. Not only that, you're at 1,000 miles an hour spinning this way, which also at 67,000 miles an hour, 67,000 miles an hour, while spinning 1,000, you're circling around the sun. And while that's happening, you're also chasing the sun through the Milky Way at 514,000 miles an hour. And every single night, the stars are exactly the same. Every single night. Every single night, the stars never change. Polaris is always exactly where it is.
Nice. Awesome. Cool, you mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Okay, everybody's leaving here. How long?
Just about like the flight of descent. When it comes to the flight of descent, we fly at like what, 3,100 feet, 37?
We were at 28,000.
28,000. From the top of the altitude, from the time we hit the runway.
It takes about 3 miles per 1,000 feet that we have to lose.
Okay. So when it comes to the flight of descent, do you have to compensate for curvature?
No.
You don't?
Nope.
Okay. So whenever you land like east to west, do you ever have to like slow down or speed up whenever you land?
Depends on, periodically. It depends on wind usually. So.
What do you mean depends on wind?
Well, it's a function of ground speed.
A function of ground speed?
Ground speed, right.
So like
wind in your face, then you're going to be slower.
No, like if you're landing east, and then if you're landing west,
right?
Would you have to like slow down or speed up due to Earth's motion?
No.
No?
Nope.
So
Earth's motion has nothing to do with it.
So we don't compensate for the curvature whenever we're landing.
We don't do anything.
And then we don't do anything when it comes to the motion of Earth.
Curvature is.
So Earth has to be a level stationary plane, right?
Fairly. In relative to us, yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good night.
Can I talk to the pilot, please?
He's right here.
You're the pilot?
Hi.
How long have you been flying for?
Like for Delta, 21 years, but maybe like 30 something.
I want to know, because they say the pilots know a lot. Do you think the Earth is flat or no?
I know it's flat.
You know it's flat? How long have you been flying for, you said?
Over 30 years.
And when you tell people that, do they think you're like crazy or no?
Only one person.
Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
Curvature? No.
No? There's no curvature?
It's just all flat.